This is a brand new 2014 Mercedes-Benz M-Class. This crossover has a 7-speed automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include a rear-view camera, keyless go, a sunroof, a low tire pressure indicator, blind spot assist, a rear seat entertainment system, a Harman Kardon audio system, an air suspension, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and lane keeping assist. The following features are also included: dual power seats, a pass-through rear seat, cruise control, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, rear curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, full power accessories, and the power rear liftgate can open and close at the push of a button. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking vehicle.